Good morning, students. Today we are discussing how to learn English language in LSRW method. Okay. Foundation of language learning in LSRW 2022 new NEP, new education policy recommended foundation of language learning is LSRW method. Okay. What is LSRW? LSRW stand for four basic skills required for language learning. L means listening, S means speaking, R means reading, W means writing. LSRW four foundation of language: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Children's afterwards you read this alphabet charts. Okay. First one, listening. A apple, B ball, C cat, D dog, E elephant, F fish, G for goat, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for X-ray, Y for egg, and Z for zebra. Afterwards, you repeat and say. You read after me. Okay. Next, speaking with story. We practice we English practice speaking skill through story. Okay. Honest boy. There was a little boy named Ramu in a village. He was very honest. One day, while going to school, he found a bag of money on the road. Instead of taking it home, he gave it directly to the school teacher. After some time, the man who had lost the money came to school and identified his bag. The teacher pre- presides, presided Ramu and said, "Your honesty is more than money." Ramu went home happily. Moral of the lesson: honesty is the greatest wealth in life. Thank you, student.